Hello everyone. Today we did lesson 9, drawing shapes with loops. We went back a few lessons. We skipped this one earlier and now we're going to do it today. So the first part is a video. Watch it together.
You wouldn't even qualify for the race if you don't have people that are proficient in computer sciences because of how much data the cars collect and the necessity to be able to have people that can write programs to figure out how you can continue to build performance. In these puzzles, you'll be an artist that uses a pencil to draw different shapes, so wherever your artist goes, it will draw a line behind them. To move around the canvas, you'll use the Move Forward block. Here, the Move Forward block says move forward by 100 pixels. When we hit Run, what happens? The artist moves forward a certain amount, and that amount is 100 pixels. Pixels are basically very tiny squares on your computer screen. The other block we have in this puzzle says turn right by 90 degrees. And when we drag that out, that makes our artist turn a certain amount. So you can play around with how far you want the artist to turn. This is a 90-degree turn. And this is a 120-degree turn. And remember, you can change these values by clicking the arrows next to the numbers for pixels and degrees. Enjoy drawing with your artist.
Okay. So we are going to click on continue. And I'm going to this is one of the more simpler puzzles of the day. It says what a lovely day. Help the artist cover his flowers before the winter by moving forward by 60 pixels. So right here, that's all we're doing. Move forward by 60 pixels, and that is that. Remember now, as I show you these puzzles on this video, what you need to do is pause the video so you have time to um, change your project. So it says, add some. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, excuse me. It says add some beauty by repeating that step 5 times, changing to a random color before it moves. So I'm gonna put move forward by 60 pixels, and I'm just gonna bring 4 more of these out so I don't have to go back down this way. And then I'm gonna go back up, and then I'm gonna move forward, set color to random color, move forward, set color to random color, move forward, set color. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4? So I don't have it yet, so I'm going to move forward to the last one. So I don't really need this last one, so I'm going to hit right. Okay, that's it. Going on to number 4.
Here we're going to use the repeat block to help us save steps when we're programming our artist. We already have some blocks out on our stage, but they're just there to get us started. To loop those blocks 4 times to draw the whole square, we just drag out the repeat block and put the move forward and turn right blocks inside the repeat block. When we hit run, the artist will repeat those steps 4 times to complete the square.
Okay, we're done with that. That was a nice short video. Hit continue. I'm going to start over. So it says draw a colorful line 5 times. Again, this time using a repeat loop. So I'm going to put the repeat loop in there. I'm going to set color to random color, and I'm going to move forward by 60 pixels. This is already set to 5. And I'm going to okay. Pretty simple. I'm going to hit continue. And each one of these puzzles, I'm just going to start over for us. Alright, so you can create this star by looping a sequence of move forwards and turn right by 144 degrees blocks. So it looks like they have random colors. So I'm just going to put a random color up there. And I'll even put it inside there so make sure it changes. See, this one says jump. We want to make sure we choose the move forward, turn right by 144 degrees, and then hit right. Okay, so it didn't finish. We need to change that 4 to a 5 because there's 5 sides of the star. Remember, you can pause the video. Okay, now this was one of our objectives for the day. We were going to take a larger pattern and break it down to smaller ones. So it says use loops to draw the circle. So I'm gonna do what it says. Use a loop. Each step is 50 pixels long and 90 pixels tall. You will need to turn 90 degrees in each direction. So we're going to move forward, turn right by 90 degrees, move forward by 50 pixels, and we're going to turn left. So we're going to go one, turn, down, turn. And then we're just going to repeat it 3 times. Okay. Simple enough. I'm going to start over. Now they give us the same set. We all have the same blocks already, but it says this staircase is much longer, but it takes the same amount of code as the last puzzle. So instead of 3 times, we're going to change it to 6 times. And that should see, it just shows you the benefit of using a loop rather than putting those blocks in there for each move. Okay, I'm going to restart. It says look for a pattern and make this code shorter using loops. Now it says 18 blocks. It's telling us we only need 7. So the pattern is forward, turn right, forward, turn left, and it's the same pattern all the way down. So we are going to shorten it down. We're going to take that code all away. We're going to pull this out, put a repeat block in there, put that in there, and now we have 7. Instead of 18 blocks, we have 7 blocks. And I'm going to leave all that stuff over there just to show you how much work it would have been. And that's it. Look at all those blocks we didn't need that were in there to begin with. Okay. I'm going to go to number 10. The challenge puzzle, I think this is. And I'm going to start over. Okay, it says look for the pattern that makes this code shorter using loops. So we have all that, and the pattern move forward, turn right, set color, and that's the same pattern repeated over and over and over. So we're just going to put the repeat block in there. Usually they have them set right where we need them to be set. I'm going to hit right. So it's not enough. We're halfway though. You can look at we're halfway. So let's just double that 4 to 8. Hit reset. Very good. And the last puzzle. They're asking you to solve this puzzle by drawing a square with 200 pixel sides. And it wants you to use the loop block. You could put move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right. So but we're just going to put the repeat loop with 4, move forward 200 pixels, and turn right. And that's it. It says we can use one more block. So we can put in set color, random color. Now we have, it still has 4 out of 5 blocks. And that way each side will have a different color. Or we could put a set pattern in there. And now we have 5 out of 5. Or we could change it to something like hearts. Let's see. I didn't do it. Let me see what I did. I'm gonna play with this. Never mind. I'm gonna play with it one more time. I'm gonna put the set pattern up top, then do it. Still not going to work. We're done. Thank you so much, boys and girls. I hope that you make up your work. You really need to get this done so you can get a good grade for today. Thank you.